In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image pop-out effect in PowerPoint. This effect is a fantastic way to add some dynamic flair to your presentations, making your images literally pop out at your audience. Whether you're running through a business pitch or simply wanting to jazz up your slides, this technique is straightforward yet impactful. So let's dive right in. First, we begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Having this robust tool at our disposal is the first step to designing captivating presentations. Once PowerPoint is up and running, navigate to the specific presentation you're working on. It's always good to have a clear sense of where our image will have the most impact, so find the slide that would most benefit from this effect. Next, go over to the left panel where all your slides are lined up. Identify the slide that contains the image you want to pop out. Give it a little right-click action. By doing this, you open up a set of options that will help us on our way. From the menu that appears, select Duplicate Slide. This is a crucial step. Duplicating the slide allows us to make modifications without losing the original content, which is always a best practice in any design work. Now that you have your duplicate slide, the focus shifts to the image you want to emphasize. Click on that image and start resizing it. The idea here is to make the image more prominent on the duplicated slide, almost larger than life. You can do this by dragging the corners outward until it reaches the desired size. Remember, the larger the image on this duplicate slide, the more dramatic the pop-out effect will be. After resizing the image, it's time to head over to the Transitions tab, located at the top of your PowerPoint interface. Transitions add movement and visual interest between your slides. In this segment, we're looking specifically for the morph transition. Once you select morph, PowerPoint will work its magic by creating a seamless transition that makes your image appear to pop out from one slide to the next. It's a simple step that really ups the ante on your slide's visual appeal. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've crafted an engaging image pop-out effect in your PowerPoint presentation. This technique is not only effective, but also incredibly easy to implement, making it a valuable tool in your presentation arsenal. Keep practicing and experimenting with different images and slide designs to see how this effect can transform your messaging. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are excited to apply what you've learned in your own presentations. Stay creative and keep exploring new ways to captivate your audience.